Yes, welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where you will learn different functions and logic formulas. Today I'm going to teach you how to find the rank uniquely. Yes, how to find the rank from smallest to the highest number uniquely, or how to find the math scores of a student uniquely in ascending order. In ascending order, it means you find or you give position from the smallest number to the largest number, but uniquely. Yes, I'm going to teach you. Let us start. The first one, you have to write equal sign, then rank, open bracket, use capital letter, open bracket. After that, click in the number 1. I want to rank this number, comma, in this range, comma, 1. So if you want to rank number from ascending to descending, you put comma 1, but from descending to ascending, you put comma 0, or you can leave it. But because I want to rank number from ascending to descending, I put comma 1. As you can see, this formula rank number as if reference where a list sorted in ascending order. It means from smallest number to the largest number. So after that, then close bracket. But when I drag, I don't want to see my range changing, so apply $sign to this range. Apply $sign to this range. This means that when I drag, this cell will change downward, but this one cannot change because all students will be ranked in this range from 02 to the 030. After that, because I want to rank uniquely, then add formula. Yes, add count if. After that, open the bracket, then repeat this one. As you can see, or 2 full colon, or 2 comma, or 2. So you repeat only the first one, this one, but this one you have to close it by $sign, then bracket -1. So by doing so, now I have done with the ranking number from ascending to descending, or from the smallest number to the largest number. Then click enter. After that, drag. Yes, now it is over. As you can see, this one and this one, all these 4 students have the same average. You are expected it to have the same rank or to have the same position, but the position is different because we assign a number or we give position uniquely. It means that each student will be given different position, whether it is have the same average or not, but each will be ranked or will be given different position, like this one. So it is as position number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. This is how you can rank number from smallest to the highest number uniquely. Let's say when you use normal rank, let us see normal rank could be this one. I want to rank this one, comma, this one is my range. Then this one, because I rank number from ascending to descending, I put comma 1. Then close the bracket, then enter. Let us see how can it be. So the normal rank from ascending to descending, this one will be given number 3, number 3, number 3, also number 3, because have the same average. But to rank uniquely, it means each average will be assigned or will be given different position, but the first one in ascending order will be given the first position and the next. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get the next video. Also like, share and comment.